Hello and welcome. In this video, we will present how to use Outline View in PowerPoint, layouts, themes, and the Slide Master, Presenter View, and general presentation skills and advice. When starting a presentation, I like using Outline View. This is similar to Outline View in Word, but instead of headings, each level represents slides, titles, and bullet points. Let's create a presentation about computer hardware. Text at the first level represents the slide titles. Text at subsequent levels represent bullet points. Here we start off with the title. We press Enter and Tab if we want to add a subtitle. Then we press Enter, Shift Tab to indicate a new slide, the slide title, and its bullet points. Once we have our outline, we can apply a theme to get a quick, basic, but professional-looking presentation. I recommend that you use this area to write yourself notes. These notes can be viewed by you during your presentation and can be helpful if you forget what you wanted to say. Let's go back to Layout View. From here, we can add images or other content to help present our points. We can also make modifications to the layout. Each presentation has several different layouts for slides. Each one presents content differently, so you can choose which works best for you. There are slides for titles, section titles, and also layouts that have 2 columns of bullet points, or 1 column of bullet points and some other content, whether it be a figure, a chart, etc. In Word, we have text styles to help provide a consistent look. In PowerPoint, we have masters. For example, if you want to specify a consistent color to the slide titles, change to the title on the master slide. If you want to add a logo to every slide, add it to the master slide. If you want the changes to apply only to slides of a particular layout, modify the master for only that layout. PowerPoint has a feature called Presenter View. Other presentation software have similar features. When there are multiple displays configured, it allows you to present your slides to the audience while you view a control panel. You can enable Presenter View under the Slideshow tab of the ribbon, but only if you have multiple displays. You can specify which display shows the presentation. The other display will show the Presenter View. Here is the Presenter View control panel. This panel shows your current slide, thumbnails of all your slides, presentation tools, and your notes. It can be very helpful for navigating long presentations and for making transitions out of order, for example, going from slide 3 directly to slide 10. Let's talk about presentation skills. We'll cover both technical and non-technical aspects. When presenting, it's important to speak clearly and at a comfortable pace. Also, write in point form. Start each point with a capital letter, but omit the period at the end. Your bullet points should outline the topics you wish to talk about. What you don't want to do is present all the text on a slide and have your audience read all of it themselves. Otherwise, your presentation is no different than reading a report or paper. Even worse, you don't want to read off everything that is on the slide. One presenter I saw even used a laser pointer to point to each word as he said them. What was supposed to be a 12-minute presentation lasted for more than 30 minutes, but it felt much, much longer. If you have many points to make, then you can split them across multiple slides. Although PowerPoint allows you to add a multitude of transitions and animations, use them sparingly, if at all. Excessive use can be annoying. When making a presentation, you'll likely be in a classroom, boardroom, or lecture hall. With so many people, it is important to try to connect with your audience rather than read directly from your notes. Look out to your audience. If you're shy, don't look directly at people, look between them. Depending on the situation, some audience members might simply be there for the free Wi-Fi, tables and chairs, possibly free food, and comfortable environment, and they will not be paying any attention to you. This can be discouraging, believe me, I know. But try to focus on those who are interested in what you have to say. It is natural to be nervous about giving a presentation. Don't fight it. Use that energy to your advantage. Use it to convey your interest and your passion for your work. Use it to anticipate what could go wrong and prepare for it. For example, bring your own computer or bring a backup copy of your presentation. But when thinking about what could go wrong, be realistic. Things often go smoothly. When they don't, it's never as bad as you think it will be. Don't let worrying about your presentation ruin your experience. Thanks for watching.